BirdXP allows researchers to develop customized treatments for sufferers of bird phobia. Through the simple point-and-click web interface, researchers are able to choose the behavior and location of birds within the 3D treatment environment. The customized treatment will then be available to the chosen participant to begin their exposure therapy.
BirdXP will be used by researchers here at the University of Tasmania to study the effectiveness of games and virtual reality as a treatment tool for anxiety disorders.
There are several bird encounters with multiple intensities, including ducks, seagulls, owls, sparrows, pigeons, and an aviary. The treatment application also supports the Oculus Rift virtual reality headset, allowing researchers to study the effectiveness of using virtual reality to assist with exposure therapy.
Our project was made challenging by the several complex components, like the database with several dependencies through its tables, and the dynamic parts of the treatment application that load from the database. Our small team meant that we would only have one expert for each of our complex components, and it was hard for the other team members to help them develop their component.
Through the combination of the website, database, and treatment application, BirdXP allows effective bird phobia treatment to be developed and delivered to participants.